Okay, so Caleb has finally got all his tubing in, and pretty much everything is in. He's been testing this to make sure that no liquid or water, whatever this stuff is leaking out. Been testing this since 12 a.m. So he got it all day. It's been 8 hours, no leaks. But he's just about finished. I just can't believe that he did all this amazing stuff to this thing. He keep taking shit until that I don't know what all this boy got wrong here going on, but yep. This is almost completed. Can't wait.